Watch, Rashid Khan plays a unique helicopter shot. Video goes viral. Afghanistan cricketer Rashid Khan is known for bowling unplayable leg spin along with unflinching batting. Rashid showed in the recently concluded Big Bash League, BBL, as to what kind of an asset he is for any team. He claimed 19 wickets in the 2019-20 season of BBL and scored 124 runs with a strike rate of 153. On Monday, Rashid's Indian Premier League, IPL, franchise Sunrisers Hyderabad, SRH, shared a video of the right-hander playing a very unique helicopter shot. For those who aren't aware, a helicopter shot is an act of flicking the bat toward the leg side when facing a yorker or a fuller length delivery and finishing the stroke with a flourish by twisting the bat in an overhead circle. It is considered that India's most successful captain Ms. Dhoni is the inventor of this shot. However, some also believe that former skipper Mohammad Azharuddin originated the first helicopter shot in a game against South Africa in 1990. In the video shared by SRH, Rashid can be seen playing a helicopter on a short of a good length ball and hit it towards the third man region. The way the all-rounder played the delivery, it looked like a reverse helicopter shot. Please save the trees and nature. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.